Hubbard, and you're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Hey guys, this is a little segment I like to call the shop cam. It's going to be a monthly video that I try to put out, at the end of every month, and it's just a montage of images that my trail camera picks up to basically just let you guys see what goes on outside of what I do when I'm recording. It's just a series of still shots that the camera captures during the entire month, and I just make a montage, collage out of it. So sit back and enjoy. They're probably not going to be long videos, but I'm pretty sure that you're going to enjoy just sitting back and watching and seeing what actually goes on in the shop. Until we can get an actual live camera in here that is actually streaming live video, this is probably going to do for now. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day. Bye. All right, guys, a cute little video. It's not very long. Thanks for watching. Continue to look for content on the GT6 project as it comes out. Just some little filler pieces now and then just to kind of break up the monotony of 2 and 3 weeks before a video comes out. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you want to follow the project, by all means subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and that will alert you every time that we upload a video, either on this project or any of the other projects that we're working on. Thanks for stopping by the shop. Y'all have a great day and continue watch. Bye.